Did you know there are 34 people between the coffee farmer and your morning cup of coffee? That's 34 people each taking their cut from the money that should be going to the farmer. Think shipping agents, brokers, unfair cooperatives, and worst of all, bankers. Sounds stupid, right? But that's just how it's always been done. Until now. We said screw that and jumped on a plane to Kenya.
We're in Kenya.
Where we met George, a 5th generation coffee farmer. We saw George's passion, his beautiful farm, and tasted his incredible coffee. Let's work together, we told George, and so we got ourselves our very own coffee farm. This whole process, we call it Fairer Trade 2.0, creating a tangible, traceable connection between your flat white and the guy picking it. And we didn't stop there. You see, all these farmers working on the farm, they have kids who go to school. So why not invest our profits from the farm back into the school, building new toilets, roofs, and providing meals so no child goes to school hungry? Then we said, why keep this just in Kenya? Let's create a coffee where every bag sold provides a meal for a child all around the coffee belt. That's that line across the equator where all the world's best coffee is grown. We call this lunchbox coffee, and it's pretty cool. So yeah, we're actually friends with the farmers and have invested thousands on modern farming techniques into small micro farms across the world. So our coffee not only tastes damn incredible, but also does amazing things. Not bad for a humble cup of coffee, eh? So when we say our coffee tastes better because it's changing lives with every cup, it's a fact.